So this video talks about the eKYC process that WeWork follows. So once a WeWork booking is made via GoFloaters, such an email will be sent to the user from WeWork India, asking them to do the KYC process, right? And even in the booking confirmation email that GoFloaters sends, we also send the link to this KYC. So here you can see complete your KYC. Clicking on this KYC will take you to the WeWork's website where the KYC needs to be done. So if it's a new user, then they just need to create set up an account on WeWork with their user ID password. And if it's not, they can if they already they've already created an account on WeWork, then they can just log in, and the moment they log in, they will see a complete KYC process here. So what is this KYC and why is it needed? Is because all co-working spaces provide shared internet access, and any such business that provides shared internet access in India is mandated to, as per the TRAI regulations, which is Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. As per TRAI regulations, they are supposed to know who is accessing the shared internet facility, because any online activity, if it is let's say there could be like a bomb hoax, or there could be any other unethical activity that could happen on a shared internet connection. So in case there are police investigations or cyber investigations that need to be carried out, then the co-working spaces have to produce proof of who was accessing their internet, and so on and so forth. So for those regulatory reasons is why this KYC is needed. And WeWork has made this entire KYC process completely online. So they have partnered with a Govt of India approved identity verification agency, online provider called Equal. So here is where the validation is done. And so first is to verify the mobile number, that because the OTP is going to be sent out to the mobile number. So first is the step to verify the mobile number. So now the mobile number has been verified. The second step would be to verify the Aadhar number. So Aadhar is the universal digital ID that every citizen of India could potentially could get for themselves. And the Aadhar number, which is equivalent to a social security number, is something that the government issues to every individual, right? And the good thing about the digital KYC process is that the Aadhar number does not go to WeWork, or does not even go to WeWork's partner called Equal, right? So if, like for example, you can see that either the Meri Pehchan portal of Govt of India or Digilocker app of Govt of India will be used for this KYC and the Aadhar verification process. So when I click this proceed button, right, you can see that I was on the WeWork.co.in website, and within that this complete KYC pop-up was there. When I clicked on this proceed to KYC, I got redirected to Digilocker.gov.in, right? So I'm now in a Govt of India portal. So the Aadhar number that I'm going to enter here is not going to be shared with Equal or with WeWork. So this Aadhar number is only being entered on the Govt of India website. So let me just enter my Aadhar number. So I've entered the Aadhar number, and I've also entered the CAPTCHA. Clicking on next. Now what the Govt of India portal Digilocker does is like every Aadhar user of every Aadhar card holder has a mobile number linked to that Aadhar number. So I've gotten an SMS now which is linked to my Aadhar card. I'm just entering that Aadhar number here, right? And again, we are still in the Govt of India web portal, right? So now the Govt of India is validating that I am the rightful owner of this Aadhar card, and through two things: one by the Digilocker security pin, and number two by the OTP that got. So now Digilocker is asking me, hey, this company wants to verify if you are a valid Aadhar card holder, right? The Equal wallet is asking for. I'm just giving permissions for it to use my validation. And once I click on this, Equal, it goes to Equal. Equal verifies that the Government of India portal has returned a successful verification, and then Equal verifies it to WeWork, saying that I am a valid, my identity has been verified and I complete my KYC process. So now you can see that KYC has been completed, and the verification will just happen in a minute or two, and I will then be my eKYC process will complete at WeWork. So this is how the eKYC process works at WeWork. And again, the Aadhar number being entered or the OTP being entered is all happening on the Government of India website. So you can see that KYC has been completed. It is all happening on the Government of India website. The Aadhar number is not being shared with WeWork or with Equal, the partner of the integration partner of WeWork. So that way the identity of the user is secured and is not compromised or is not shared with WeWork per se.